Most welcome, my friend, in my channel. We are coming to discuss some molecular biology in the respect of the DNA protein isolation, a protein combination, how we will identify the protein DNA combination. If there is a present some molecules, some proteins with combined with the DNA, then how can which method you are going to find? This is the called the method. Generally we are going to use SIR combination. Such type of combination is chromatin immunoprecipitation technique, molecular technique, that is simply called CHIP method. In this method, any cells, yeah, any type of the tissue samples where you want to find that type of protein are either associated with the DNA or not, then we will go such type of technology we use. In this method, generally we are going that cells, yeah, that type of tissue, yeah, that type of things generally go for the formaldehyde, because formaldehyde generally fix, yeah, preserve that type of cells, so there is no any integration, yeah, disturbance in the protein structure or DNA structure. So then after the crashing with the protein DNA complexes inside the Petri plate, in this we go for sonication method with DNAs or any other enzymes, so the proteins can be separate from the DNA. In this method, if there is some proteins or DNA are separated, they are not separated, so we go for the another process used for the antibodies method technology. If there is a protein is there, the specific antibody bind with them. You know that which type of protein is there, so we need to specifically antibodies that can be bind with that proteins and go for the another process called the protease method. If there is a present, there we can identify proteins, and we go for, if there is DNA is presented, so need to separate DNA from that type of protein, so you need to go for the protease that cleave this protein portion. Only DNA samples is remaining there, and this DNA samples go for the PCR for further analysis that type of DNA which are present in this type of the combinating proteins samples where the protein DNA is presented. So now you, in this method, you have the both themes. First you identify the protein portion by using antibodies technology. Second method, by using PCR, you identify that DNA which are combined with the proteins molecule. So in this diagrammatically you will show, in this there is a combination of protein DNA complexes present. By using the formaldehyde, they fix them and go for sonications, they cut, there is the DNA enzymes are presented, a fermentation process to cut the protein portion is there. If there is a DNA is present, okay, no problem, the protein portion bind with the antibodies, this precipitation, immunoprecipitation is there. The remaining DNA you want to isolate, they use the proteinase enzymes, cut the protein portion, only the DNA is there, go for the PCR method. You identify the PCR with a gel electrophoretic method, and where you can identify these things. This is the simple way. So I am diagrammatically showing how CHIP method, yeah, chromatin immunoprecipitation work, and remaining things you can read in my description. I will mention all these things, and if you need more information, go for the Googles. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Hope you understand, you enjoy this one. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.